Isn't it interesting how a simple game of true or false, or we can say objective type of questions, has been presented in such an appealing manner? So, in today's video or lecture, I'm going to teach you all how to create such appealing presentation of some random objective sort of questions for your students. So, I hope you all are equally excited for it. So, stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how easily you can make such videos. To make such videos, you will have to type Wordwall in your Google tab. Wordwall is an application where you will need an authentic email ID to create an account. Once you have done that, on the right hand side, you have to click on the option Create Activity. Once you do so, you can see several options over here. You can maximum make use of 5 resources in using the free account. After that, you'll have to pay for it. So, to make the true or false type of questions, you will select over here true or false. This is how the dashboard looks like, where you will have to name your game. So right now I'll just write it as true or false. Then you can see two categories over here, but before that there's one more column which asks you to write some instructions. So in case you have to write some instructions, you may do so over here. So like if you want to give instructions with respect to the time limit to your students, or which chapter is this revision based on, you can write all those instructions over here. Right now I'll just skip this as it's optional. Next, all the true answers to whose like question the answer is true, you will be writing on the left hand side, and for the false one you'll be writing it on the right hand side. So let me just write one statement. New Delhi is the capital of India. That's a true statement. In order to write more questions, you will click on this add an item and you will write the next sentence. For now, I'll just move on to the right hand side with a false statement. For example, Brasilia is the capital of USA. That's a false statement. It's the capital of Brazil. So I've written it under the false category. In case you want to add appropriate images related to the questions, you may do so. If you want to delete it, you will have this option over here. So right now, let me just write more sentences. Minimum 2 sentences has to be written to make this game under each category, and maximum of 30 you can make. So for the true, next one I'll just write Madhya Pradesh is the center lies in the central part of India. That's a true statement. And for false, I'll write Chennai is the capital of Karnataka. So to keep the video short, I'll just write 2 questions each under each category, and I'll show you various themes which you can put up to enhance the quality and look of your video. So just click on the option done. Once you are done with it, it saves the activity, and this is how it will look like. But before starting with it, if you scroll down, you will see several themes over here, plus several other settings also over here. So if you want the students to be shown with the answers at the end of the game, you will click on this. If not, just like unclick it, and then how do you want the speed to be like? It should be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How do you want it? Then you want the timer to count down or count up. How do you want, and how much minutes and seconds you want to give? 1 minute, or maybe in seconds, only 30 seconds or something like that. So I'll keep it 35 seconds for now because I've hardly selected 4 questions. Now let's see the different themes which is there. The one of the theme is this, which is a very simple one. Let me just show it to you all. This is how it looks like. Very simple. So let's move on to the next theme. Let me just show how the other themes look like. This is the third theme, which is called as neon. So it looks like this. This is how it will look like. There are several free themes like this. The midnight theme will give the background in black, and the options and the questions would be colorful. So you can use this one also. The TV game show. So you can see on the left hand corner the timer is going down. The question would be presented over here and the options are over here. As soon as you click on the option, next question comes up. And on the right hand side corner, they give you the result. So once the questions are done, they give you some options where you can see the leaderboard, where you can see the answers, when you can see the scores also. So when you click on the option show answers, they show you all the answers like this. Let me quickly show you the other themes which are available. The space one is something which I love personally. So if you have set up some questions related to geography, astronomy or something, you can select this theme. It looks so good. This is how it looks like. This is how it sounds like. Appropriate sound. Moving on to the next theme. I'll just show. If you click on the right hand arrow, okay, this is the last one. So I'll just show this newsroom one. So I purposely clicked the wrong answer to see how it shows up. And the game is over. So I hope you all have understood how you can create simple objective sort of questions in such a pleasant and such a good manner. It's very easy to create using the Wordwall application. Stay tuned for other videos where I would be exploring this particular application further. If you have liked my video, do like it, share it with your friends and educators out there, and also comment in the chat box about your views. Thank you so much.